My name is Elena. I'm from Madrid, and I have a little cafe with my sister in the center of Madrid.
My name is Stefano Cavada. I come from a very northern region in Italy, which is 𝘧𝘪�々, up in the mountains. I'm really passionate about food, and it turned out to be my job too. So I cook, I take pictures of the recipes that I make, and I share them with the people that follow me on the social networks.
It was really nice. I think the most surprising thing was that he's Italian, and I thought he was going to be Italian, but it results that he's from the north of Italy, and he cooks more German food.
Yeah, exactly. Elena was expecting me to be more Mediterranean, pasta, pizza, but in fact I come from the mountains up in the north, so I have more like mushrooms, cured meat, something really, let's say, more intense as flavors, but I think we did very well together.
I think that the characteristic that has the new makers is that are people from around the world, that we share the same passion for food, and that we come from different backgrounds, and we have all like common passions, and that we like food, and also to prepare it on a we really care for the different ingredients and the manner in which things are done.
A new maker is a person that loves what he does in his life. It could be about his passion, his job, and he always looks forward to do something more enjoyable, something new, to look for new inspiration.
What I really like is to get simple ingredients and make a good dish. Maybe I'm really of one less ingredient. Maybe it sounds simple, but when I travel and I go to different places, what I really enjoy is a simple plate that has something that really gets into you.
It's a very traditional way of cooking, because it really reminds me of my childhood when I was cooking with my mother, with my grandmother, with my father. So all the flavors that I grew up with are always in the recipes that I make. I think champagne is really inspiring, because it's a product that has a really long history behind, but it's still really modern, can be really enjoyable also today, and especially with easygoing meals or plates. And for example, I love to pair champagne with a good home-baked focaccia, topped maybe with some seasonal ingredients or local ingredients. It goes very well.